Here's 3 things I wish I would have done right from the beginning to sell my courses, my group coaching, or my membership program. Number 1, I would have started an email list immediately. I would have gave away something for free, got people on an email list, and continued to educate them to get them to know, like, and trust me and understand the product. Number 2, I would have started doing personal branding a lot earlier. I would have done more videos, more pictures, shown more of what's going on around me, the context of what's actually possible. And number 3, I would have made sure that I had a really good funnel in place with automation happening so that when people signed up, they got what they needed. And when people would do different things like, reach out through different social media channels, they would get an email, they would get a response, and they would get talked to much quicker. The moment I got those 3 things in place, the whole thing changed. So start doing those 3 things. Number 1, create a personal brand. Number 2, get an email list going. And number 3, get an automated funnel that takes people from social media, turns them into people on your email list, but then sells them and pushes them into your products, and then helps them after they become a customer to actually get the answers. So hope that helped you. Let me know down in the comments if you want some more tips.